Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, we're at Blodel Conservatory and we're gonna go look at the Christmas lights inside here. Can't wait because it's pretty darn cold outside and it's supposed to be nice and warm inside. You ready, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sam's ready. Just a spectacular day here in Vancouver. The sun is out, frosty and cold, beautiful winter day. So we're inside now. It's not as nice as when you're here at nighttime because of course you can see the lights a bit better. Oh, we're on a moving bridge. But they've got lots of lights out. They've got some poinsettias everywhere. It's beautiful greenery. And now we're looking for some birds, which is making Sam just a little bit nervous. These palm trees are amazing in here.
Bananas.
Oh, there's some bananas growing up there. Awesome. So this guy's name is Art, and apparently he is 44 years old. That's crazy. Oh, he's dancing for us.
Hey, buddy.
Some amazing birds here.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, wasn't it?
This guy's amazing. What a beautiful color of red. We just finished at the Blodel Conservatory. It was pretty short and sweet, but we had a fun time, saw some amazing birds, some beautiful plants, and we still get to enjoy this great view as well, too. All right, thanks for joining us, everybody.